Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Iyara. Yeah, man, the machine gun fire with 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓. In them Farid. Yes, 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 in them Farid. 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓. Yes, it's a diss track. It's a diss track. I think this is the name in that Dever, but it's a diss track, though. Make a jump in here with the GS cinema. Let's go. 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓. Let's go.
This and them dead and them dead and them dead. One way. Lazarus rise from the dead, a man garlics and bullet and run it down, one in a head. Chop line and buy gun, tap dog, with me rifle the dark I come. In a dirt, some pussy up to lie down flat. Swimming a you and a bumbo clad blood man, knock him with a sniper rifle from for them pussy, then I had them only.
Bumbo clad! We are the man! Give me time for yourself, some of them boys, and please. What you say? There we back. Are you the G attack? Are you the man attack?
One way. Lazarus rise from the dead, a man garlics and bullet and run it down, one in.
Lazarus rise from the dead and garlic some bullet. You know when the garlic knife and a man cut you, you're not gonna feel it. So when you get the shot them, you're not gonna feel them. You just go dead.
Yeah. Lazarus rise from the dead, a man garlics and bullet and run it down, one in a head. Chop line and buy gun, tap dog, with me rifle the dark I come in.
Chop line and buy gun. When man a buy beast, and man a buy smokings, and man a buy this and that, him a buy gun. That a caffeine badness that.
One in a head. Chop line and buy gun, tap dog, with me rifle the dark I come in a dirt, some pussy up to lie down flat. Swimming a you and a bumbo clad blood man, knock him with a sniper rifle from for them pussy, then
Swimming a you and a bumbo clad blood man, knock him with a sniper rifle from 4, not far. 4. You know, so that's how country people talk. How far you there? Yes, knock him from the sniper rifle from 4 out. We out there, so yeah, I just like the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓.
Swimming a you and a bumbo clad blood man, knock him with a sniper rifle
from
for them pussy, then a bad them only have mouth. Chat alone, some pussy can chat. Burn a spit.
Them not bad. I just chat them a chat radio. News Talk, IRFM, radio them a chat. I chat to them. Them not bad.
Them pussy, then a bad them only have mouth. Chat alone, some pussy can chat. Burn a spit fire, never dragon stout. Head up a jump out of his a gas out of me that.
Boy, must spit fire and never dragon stall. Wait the man. Because I don't have to know the lyrics them where the GS if you get the understanding of the song in the dog.
Chat, burn a spit fire, never dragon stout. Head up a jump out of his a gas out of me that a lefty place the bees a drive out. Tires. Niggle the murder. Knock. Rifle them a clap. Toss out them blood clot head. Niggle the that a niggle the murder.
Miggle the murder when everybody can see it. You see it? Right, that's how we are doing it. You see it when everybody can see it. When I wait for night, you see it? No, 12 o'clock at night. No, 12 o'clock at day. All them binds on the man. Call the police. Miggle the murder.
Clap. Toss out them blood clot head. Niggle the that a niggle the murder. Knock. Rifle them a clap. Can't get no life on the right and the rise is a niggle the murder. In your fuck when you rifle lift up, boy drop a dirt flat, no life, pick it up. Head top bust out the eye, them pluck out the crowd. You fuck like a sore foot broke out gun.
Man said the whole night head cranny, you fuck like a sore foot we broke out. Just picture that. You can smell it from yourself. Thinking.
Head top bust out the eye, them pluck out the crowd. You fuck like a sore foot broke out. Gunman a run to the dirt and cut out. Boy will love chat shit, so them fi flush out. When you run up in a ball place and nothing go page them days done. It's a fat shot that tough in your ears drum. The fire sparks and a light and bacon. Hot steel a dinner so it a steal from. Who up me duppy when me dirt boy never say it wasn't me. That a Shaggy and Rick Rock. Me fear.
He man say him a own up him duppy them. Him a own up the man them when him kill him a own them up. Him not say it wasn't me like Shaggy. That a Shaggy and Rick Rock. Nah, that brother.
Your ears drum, the fire sparks and a light and bacon. Hot steel a dinner so it a steal from. Who up me duppy when me dirt boy never say it wasn't me. That a Shaggy and Rick Rock. My favorite rifle a M16. The handgun them a son chip black. Knock rifle.
Man say favorite rifle them at M16. The handgun them a chip Glock. So 16 and the Glock them my favorite machine them. Fire. Come. Buckler.
Dirt boy never say it wasn't me. That a Shaggy and Rick Rock. My favorite rifle a M16. The handgun them a son chip black. Knock rifle them a clap. Bust out them blood clot head niggle day. That a niggle day murder. Knock rifle them a clap. Why get that no life on the right and the right is a niggle day murder. See me now you own a bumble clad blood man. Knock him with a sniper rifle from fur. Them pussy they no bad, them only have mouth. Chat alone, some pussy can chat. Burn a spit fire, never dragon stout. Head up a jump out, a he's a gas out. And me that a levy place, the beast a drive out. Tires.
Man say, I'm after him do him crime, he must say, I'm me that I left the place. The beast a drive out. Bumbo.
Burn a spit fire, never dragon stout. Head up a jump out, a he's a gas out. And me that a levy place, the beast a drive out. Tires. Niggle day murder.
Hey, get me in a Farid.
Out them blood clot head niggle day, that a niggle day murder.
Get me in a Farid. Get me in a
Why
Farid.
get no life on the right and the right is a niggle day murder.
It's bad. This bad, but I was hoping to hear Deborah Brat name tonight. This bad, but I was hoping to hear Deborah Brat name in it. Let me go check something. Let me check in the description and see what it say. Listen to 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 by Iyara. A scratching this track addressing the middle day murder, the controversy between him and dancehall artist Deborah Brat. Stream now. Okay, so it is a Deborah Brat. Okay, it is a Deborah Brat this track. Well, I was hoping to hear your this crucial man them night still, you see me? I remember I said the war is on, no brother. The war is on. You know? So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one though. I like it. The beat is bad as well. Bellevue, big up on yourself. The beat is bad as well. I like it. We like it. War. Never bad. A war in the dog. Wake up the brother. A war in the dog. Bumbleclot. War. If you don't say war in the comment section, type war. Yes, and that's over there right now. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I will catch you down in the comment section down there. Big up myself, Iyara. I'm out.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, Rick Connect.